Loch Uisg, and Loch Buile. This castle was reputedly built above a natural spring in the 14th century by the MacLeans of Loch Buile. It has a dungeon filled with water, with a stone in the centre on which the prisoner sat in complete darkness. The headland known as Malcolm's Point. The shoreline surrounding the Rás of Mull Peninsula is particularly craggy and therefore guaranteed to attract a large and varied quantity of bird life. Bingangori, above Trai Cagagnese. Even the beaches in this area are difficult to surpass. The Rás of Mull is ancient moorland with scattered clumps of trees. It's been designated as an area of special geological interest. The short crossing from Fuelnefort takes us to one of Britain's best-known islands, Iona, or St. Columba's Isle. It's thought that Iona was inhabited at least as far back as the Iron Age, and that it was a centre of spirituality even before St. Columba arrived there from Ireland in the year 563. There's something unique, even mystical, about the coastline here. Many painters have attempted to capture Iona's light on canvas, but that's by all accounts quite a challenge. The village of Ballamore welcomes 500,000 tourists every year. Iona's sacred sites are all within easy reach of the jetty here. Iona Abbey was without a roof when the Church of Scotland took over restoration in 1902. 8 years of work followed, after which the buildings were maintained by the Iona community, which was founded by the Reverend George MacLeod, later Lord MacLeod. Today, Iona Cathedral Trust is responsible for its upkeep. A monk from Iona once named a Swiss town after this particular island. It's the island of Staffa, which has been uninhabited for 200 years. However, many people choose to visit because of Felix Mendelssohn's famous Hebrides Overture, or Fingal's Cave. The grandeur of that piece of classical music is more than matched by the island itself. In Victorian times, steamships brought almost 300 visitors a day to Staffa. Well-known visitors included Queen Victoria herself, Prince Albert, Jules Verne, David Livingstone, William Wordsworth, Robert Louis Stevenson, and Joseph Turner. Bach Moor, more commonly known as the Dutchman's Cap because of its symmetrical shape, is very well known in these parts and a significant landmark. It's very difficult to access as there is no harbour or haven here. Yet there are the remains of dwellings, I'm told. The island of Lunga has been described as a green jewel in a peacock sea. It's particularly rich in plant life and is a designated site of special scientific interest because of this. It's also well known for its puffins, and apparently puffin eggs were once a staple part of the islanders' diet. But the last inhabitants left Lunga in 1824. The island of Tiree, the land beneath the waves as it's often referred to, is the most westerly of the Inner Hebrides. It enjoys the sunniest climate in Britain,